Sure. Here's a detailed, narrative-style journey through a week of meal prep, crafted for those aiming to streamline their week with healthy, home-cooked meals. Imagine following a plan that saves time, reduces stress, and sets you up for success every day. Here's how that week could look. Sunday, the prep day. It's a bright, peaceful Sunday morning, and you're ready to dive into a week of easy, nourishing meals. Start by planning out a menu that covers all your meals. You decide to include hearty breakfasts, energizing lunches, and filling dinners, plus some snacks to help avoid the mid-afternoon cravings. You've chosen recipes that use similar ingredients to simplify shopping and reduce waste. After making a list, you head to the grocery store, focused on finding quality ingredients, fresh vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and flavorful spices. Back in the kitchen, you unpack and begin to set up. It might take a few hours today, but the reward will be a smooth week with minimal cooking stress. Here's the plan. Breakfast: overnight oats and veggie-packed egg muffins. Lunch: grilled chicken with roasted vegetables and quinoa. Dinner: a versatile stir-fry with shrimp and plenty of vegetables, plus a cozy one-pot chili. Snacks: fruit, Greek yogurt, hummus with sliced veggies, and energy balls. Monday: setting the tone. Monday morning starts with overnight oats topped with berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. You prepped a few jars last night, so all you need to do is open the fridge, grab one, and enjoy. Lunch is a hearty portion of grilled chicken and vegetables. You enjoy the mix of flavors: the charred bell peppers, sweet roasted carrots, and zesty lemon chicken with quinoa. You feel energized and ready for the week. For dinner, you reheat your stir-fry: a savory mix of shrimp, broccoli, snap peas, and bell peppers in a light soy sauce. It's filling but not heavy, the perfect end to a productive day. Tuesday: adding variety. Today you switch it up for breakfast with veggie-packed egg muffins. These little bites are full of spinach, peppers, and cheese. They're warm, filling, and incredibly easy to heat up. Lunch today is the same, but with an added twist. A drizzle of balsamic glaze and a sprinkle of fresh herbs make your grilled chicken feel gourmet. For dinner, it's time for a cozy bowl of chili. You made this in bulk on Sunday, so you reheat a portion and garnish it with a little Greek yogurt and chopped green onions. Wednesday, midweek energy boost. On Wednesday, you add a dollop of peanut butter and some banana slices to your overnight oats for breakfast. It's creamy and satisfying, the perfect mix for midweek motivation. Lunch consists of that classic grilled chicken and vegetable dish, but with a new side of mixed greens and cherry tomatoes. A sprinkle of nuts adds a satisfying crunch. Dinner brings another serving of stir-fry, but today you add a scoop of brown rice for extra energy. You feel content knowing you're nourishing your body without sacrificing flavor. Snacks today include some fresh fruit and a handful of almonds, keeping you full and focused between meals. Thursday: keeping it fresh. Thursday morning greets you with a refreshing twist. You use a new topping for your oats: coconut flakes and raspberries, which feels like a mini tropical escape. Lunch takes on a fresh angle as you mix your grilled chicken with a little salsa and avocado, transforming it into a taco-style bowl. For dinner, it's chili night again. You love the flavors even more as they've had time to meld. You serve it over a small bed of spinach to boost the nutrients. Snacks today are light but satisfying: sliced cucumbers and red bell peppers with hummus for dipping. Friday: the finish line. On Friday, you use up the last of your overnight oats for breakfast. You feel a little nostalgic because these jars have been the anchor of your mornings all week. Lunch is the last of the grilled chicken, served this time with a dollop of tzatziki and roasted sweet potato wedges for a Mediterranean feel. Dinner feels like a reward as you make a quick fried rice with the remaining vegetables and a little soy sauce. It's satisfying and easy, an ideal meal to finish the week. Saturday: leftovers and rebooting for the next week. Saturday becomes a leftovers day. You mix the remaining chili with the stir-fry vegetables, enjoying a hybrid dish that feels almost new. Breakfast is an egg muffin, quick and simple, while lunch becomes a salad topped with the last bits of chicken and vegetables. With only a few ingredients left, you start dreaming about new recipes for the coming week, maybe adding a pasta dish or smoothie bowls to the rotation. You feel accomplished, knowing that this habit of meal prepping has set you up for success all week. Tips learned: batch cook proteins and grains. Grilled chicken, quinoa, and brown rice can mix with almost any vegetable for a balanced meal. Overnight oats for breakfast variety. Change toppings each day for a fresh take. Make versatile dinners. Recipes like chili and stir-fry allow you to use a variety of vegetables and seasonings. Snacks for balance. Fruit, nuts, and veggies with hummus make the perfect pick-me UPS. Reuse leftovers creatively. Transform leftovers to keep meals interesting. By Sunday evening, you're ready to shop, chop, and prep for the next week, knowing that meal prepping has helped you create a routine that feels sustainable and delicious. Enjoying good food all week is not just a perk, it's a reward.